Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So adding objects like items to an image is one of the most powerful features in OpenArt. You can insert new elements into a scene while keeping everything realistic and consistent. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to add items to an image on OpenArt in 2026. So first thing first, upload your image. Okay, so open OpenArt. Go to image editor, okay, upload your image here. Okay, this is your base scene, so select area to add items, like use brush, mask tool, select where the item should appear, like for example table surface, empty space, wall area. Okay, so be precise, not too large. Write a clean prompt. Okay, so we have the place that you can write or type a prompt that you want, like for example there are many examples, so I will just show you an example, like add a coffee cup on the table, realistic, matching lighting. Okay, or for example another example like this, place a modern lamp in the corners of lighting. Okay, so include object, style, lighting, because specific in this case is better blending. Okay, so generate the edit, like apply the prompts, so the AI will insert the object, blend it into the scene. Okay, check realism after that, refine the result, like if needed, adjust selection area, improve prompt, regenerate. Okay, ensure light direction matches, shadows look natural, add keywords, for example like this. Okay, so soft shadow, realistic lighting. Okay, so this makes it believable. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.